In a daring leap forward for the gaming industry, TJD Corporation is set to launch its revolutionary handheld gaming console, the Meteorish TJD T101, next month. Packed with cutting-edge features and powered by the formidable AMD Ryzen 7040U series processor, this gaming handheld is poised to redefine the gaming experience on the go. The Meteorish TJD T101 boasts a generous 10.1-inch display, shattering the traditional standards of gaming handhelds. While most handhelds adhere to the x86 standard with 7-inch displays, the TJD T101 dares to break away, offering gamers an expansive visual canvas. The larger screen promises more immersive gameplay and a greater sense of detail, giving players an edge in competitive gaming, and an unforgettable experience in single-player adventures. In a world where gaming handhelds are constantly pushing the boundaries of portability and performance, the Meteorish TJD T101 emerges as a true titan, eclipsing its competitors with its exceptional features and jaw-dropping size. While few handhelds have ventured into the realm of larger displays, the TJD T101 takes it to the next level by boasting a colossal 10.1-inch screen that surpasses even the IU Neocon and 1X player models, which themselves offer 8.4-inch screens. The TJD T101's imposing size brings it on par with devices like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, offering a stunning 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution. This combination ensures gamers are treated to an immersive visual experience that captivates and transports them into the heart of their virtual worlds. The 16:10 aspect ratio adds to the charm, providing a widescreen feel perfect for gaming and multimedia consumption. As for audio, the TJD T101 leaves no room for compromise. Equipped with two powerful 2-watt speakers, the device delivers crystal clear sound and immersive audio effects, making every in-game moment more captivating and engaging. The Meteorish TJD T101 is built with gamers in mind, featuring two Hall effect joysticks and triggers that provide precise control and responsiveness. The addition of two gyroscope sensors enhances the gaming experience further, enabling intuitive motion controls for added immersion and accuracy. The device's connectivity options are equally impressive. With a 3.5mm audio jack, players can connect their favorite gaming headsets for a truly immersive experience. Additionally, the TJD T101 comes with two USB 4 ports and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port under the hood, offering versatile connectivity options for external devices and accessories. Powering this gaming behemoth is a 60 watt-hours battery, providing ample juice for extended gaming sessions on the go. What's even more remarkable is the lightning-fast recharge rate of 100 watts, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum playtime. Under the hood, the Meteorish TJD T101 offers gamers the choice between two powerful AMD Ryzen APUs, the Ryzen 5 7640U, and the Ryzen 7 7840U. These processors are paired with a staggering 64 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless gameplay, even with the most demanding titles. To satisfy the growing need for storage space, the device comes with an impressive 4TB PCIe SSD, offering ample room for storing games, media, and creative projects. Despite its dimensions and powerful internals, the TJD T101 remains relatively lightweight at just 0.89 kg, making it comfortable to carry around and ideal for gaming on the move. With dimensions of 343 by 155 by 20 mm, the device strikes a perfect balance between portability and screen real estate. As the Indiegogo campaign prepares for launch, the gaming community eagerly awaits the opportunity to support and be part of the journey, as the Meteorish TJD T101 ushers in a new era of handheld gaming. With the promise of a feature-packed gaming handheld at an enticing starting price of $599, and the premium model offering unparalleled power at $999, the TJD T101 is set to become the go-to choice for gamers seeking a truly extraordinary portable gaming experience. What do you think about the new game console? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.